Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Vibe. Today I'm going to make vermicelli custard pudding. This is very yummy and delicious pudding. Take 150 grams of vermicelli. In this pudding, we want to take thin vermicelli. Make vermicelli into small pieces. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add cashew nuts and stir it. Next add vermicelli and mix till it becomes crispy. Add 1 by 4 cups of sugar and 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix it. Transfer half of the mixture into a pudding tray. Take another bowl and add 2 cups of milk, 1 by 3 cups of sugar and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. After boiling, add 2 tablespoons of custard. Mix it with 1 by 4 cup of milk. Pour the custard into the boiling milk. Stir the mixture. Next add vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Pour the custard into the pudding tray. Next add remaining vermicelli mixture. Add some crushed coconuts. Take a bowl, add 200 g of fresh cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it. Pour the mixture into the top of the pudding. Finally, decorate with vermicelli mixture and cashew nuts. This is very simple recipe of vermicelli custard pudding. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.